I want to ask you about the Prime Minister's portfolio as well. In fact, upon his nomination in Varanasi, the Prime Minister has declared assets worth 3 crore rupees. Let's just understand the breakdown before I come to you to understand this portfolio better at a time that the government is trying so hard to tell everyone that, yes, you must stay invested in the markets. How's the Prime Minister's portfolio looking? Let's find out from my colleague Sumit. He's joining us with that information. Sumit, yes, disclosures have to be made at the time of filing of nomination. Now tell us exactly how the Prime Minister's portfolio is looking, what he has submitted at the time of filing his nomination in Varanasi today.
PM Modi filed his nomination from Varanasi today, and a candidate has to declare his assets. So as per the records, PM's assets are worth 3.02 crore rupees. And if we divide the assets, this includes gold worth 2.67 lakh rupees held in the form of 4 gold rings, national savings certificates worth 9.12 lakh rupees. PM also holds 2.85 crore rupees in bank fixed deposit as per the affidavit. So if you take the comparative figures, in 2019 and 2014, PM Modi's assets, they have shown an increase. In 2019, he declared assets worth 2.5 crore rupees, and also in 2014, it was 1.6 crore rupees. So that's how the assets of PM Modi's assets are there. It includes both movable and immovable property. So it has to be declared. That's why PM Modi has declared his assets today. Well, all the candidates who are contesting elections, they have to declare assets officially, and that's what has been done by PM Modi today as well.
Do weigh in on this, Ajay, because we're looking at the portfolio of the Prime Minister, and there is a big chunk in fixed deposits, but not so much in equities or bonds or mutual funds. What kind of a signal does that send out?
I think in a way of corporate governance, it's a good signal.
Right.
Unlike, the US Senate and the congressmen who sit on those select committees and then go and short the market before COVID, or, go long on defense when they know a Ukraine package is going out. I think it's good that he stayed away from stocks in a governance sense. But if you look at the returns, Vikram, it's hardly 20% return in 5 years, and with having inflows. Of course, the Prime Minister is a very big philanthropist also. When he moved out from Gujarat, whatever was his chief minister's salary in Gujarat, he distributed it with the chief minister's staff. So probably he gives away his salary, and this is just a portfolio return, but 20% return over 5 years, you are less than 4% CAGR, which kind of foots in to a fixed deposit heavy kind of a portfolio. So not ideal for you and me, and definitely for somebody age 74 post-retirement, not having any equity at all. I think it's a very inadequate portfolio. But what works for him is he will have a lifetime pension, he will have a house, and he will have a lot of other perks from the government, even when, as and when he decides to hang up his boots.
Very interesting, Ajay Bagga. We have in the past discussed so many personal finance portfolios, and when you look at the Prime Minister's, it has to be seen in association with the position he holds, and that's the interesting bit, because in terms of governance, like you pointed out, not having exposure to equities comes as part of the territory. We'll see exactly how it goes as far as the elections go and the volatility, and whether or not it can be controlled, especially after the Finance Minister has tried to allay fears. But that's for the future. Ajay Bagga.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.